¿Ya viste cómo lo puedes bañar?
Ay.
Yeah, that's when we have sick babies, we can put things through there.
What?
Oh, like their IV lines and stuff like that. Yeah, because I'm scrubbing it.
Doesn't it hurt him?
I'm not scrubbing him that hard. I'm just rubbing his skin. It makes his blood start flowing really good.
Oh, it's his
Hey. Well, Daniel, you cry too much.
I thought he was laughing. Don't cry.
He's got a lot of hair, doesn't he?
Like so funny.
Wow, el primer peinado.
He cries too much.
You think so?
Yes.
Wait till you get him home and he's doing this in the middle of the night. See, that's going to be your job. You got to get up with him at night because school's almost out, so you don't have to sleep all night. Are you gonna pull that shift? Are you gonna get up with him at night?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I barely hear at night.
Oh, you sleep hard. Are you a hard sleeper?
When I fall off the bed, I
You are.
don't really My friend, once I went to a sleepover and they kick a lot like me. They pushed me off the bed.
Oh, so
And
you're a
they're
bad
like,
bed fella.
Tanya, are you hurt? And I was just like that. I was sleeping. They're like, oh well, who cares? And he just left me there. And the next morning.